Hello everyone. This is me, Mom Shawie Vlog, together with Dexy. So guys, unboxing time again. So guys, as we have known, if you're going to purchase iPhone, they just simply give, or in the box is just a cable, but no adapter at all. So that's the reason why I purchased two adapters for my charger. Guys, I have ordered this from this store. So I just flex the store, from this store, and this store. Thank you very much, guys, for giving me, for having this adapter. Yeah. It's worth the price, guys. So two sets of our two adapters. Two adapters, guys. Adapters for our charger. So thank you very much, dear seller. So 10, if going to rate this one, I'm going to give 10 of 10. Why? Because you're very accommodating when I ask questions about the item, the location. You answered promptly. You attend to the queries of your clients. So thank you very much for that. And then I've already tried this one, and it is evident that it's truly a fast charger. So thank you very much, dear seller. Thank you very much for being true, genuine to your products, genuine to the products that you're selling, and you're also very affable towards your customers, toward your clients. So my salute to you, dear seller. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for giving me this adapter, which I am needing. I am needing this because I'll just use the adapter on my MacBook when I charge my phone, guys. So yeah. So thanks God, I have found this store, and they gave me the quality adapter. So thank you very much, dear seller. Thank you very much for giving the genuine adapter. Thank you.